Good morning. Thanks for joining me. I've got this amazing old table. It was my in-laws, Dougal and June, and they passed away and gave it to my sister-in-law, Linda, and she has asked me to repurpose it. The tabletop has a bunch of water stains from plants and stuff, and I can see where someone tried to put their initials in and scratched it all up. So today I'm going to try something new. I am going to torch this. Yes, I said torch, and I don't mean like with the little torch. Like this is the propane torch. Yeah, I'm not using that. Behind me you can see the acetylene tanks, and I'm going to use the acetylene tank. So Linda, I hope this works. Don't cry. You wanted it repurposed. Let's go. Okay. Andy's just turning it on for me. And you won't be able to see me. I really want you to see the table. There we go. Touched it. This?
Yeah. Never heard.
So I'm just, I got my PPE on, my personal protective. I don't want to, very cool. Thanks, Ian. Morning, Shirley. Gonna do some more. Should I go with the grain or the wood, hon?
Scrub it harder. Not scrub it hard enough.
Here, I'll go another one. So hubby took over. I wasn't being aggressive enough. He burnt off all the
Oh, there's still some left.
some seal that was on there and stuff, and I was using my mask just because it's really dirty, but it still works. I just didn't want to breathe in all that crap. And so we used a wire brush, and now we're gonna sand it with a. He's going to sand it. You need more sandpaper?
Never mind.
You got it? Yeah, Chris, I know this one was pretty exciting with the fire and stuff. It was pretty cool. And it's looking awesome. I'll show you a close-up and when we're done, but we're going to get some more sandpaper here. What do you need? Want some more sandpaper?
Wipe it off and wet with a wet egg.
Oh, yeah.
I think there's more. You gotta burn more of it.
Okay. Well, I'm sure they want to see it burnt more. It's pretty cool. It's looking great, guys. I'm just wiping off some soot, and then we're gonna burn it more here and sand it more. While Andy's burning it, I'm gonna go get some more sandpaper and hook up the sander. Okay. Hi, pups. Yeah, the puppies are here. They're staying away from the fire, I think, though. I miss the pups. I know, right, Jazz? I know. Puppies are crazy. Terry, you have to come down. We could do social distancing and burn up a top. I'm just getting some 50 grit sandpaper ready for the sander. So you just fold it in thirds and then rip it. Yep, this table's still warm. Oh man, it's looking good. There you go, hon. He's trying to stay off camera as much as he can. Andy, we got 44 people watching. Whoop, whoop. Yep. Yay. I knew this one would be a cool one. It was last minute because I thought I was going to do it. There you go. What kind of wood do you think this is, hon?
I have no idea.
No idea.
There.
Yeah, there's a couple on the edges, on this side, this edge too. Okay, another burn. He better be. Trevor, are you a little bit worried? It looks like burnt toast. Yeah, it looks so good. Ooh, looking good. Yeah, I think you're right. I think Grandma June would love this. She always loved crafty ideas, and The acetylene tank was Grandpa Dougal's, and he always loved to use it and burn his ducks and his creations. And he's made so many different things over the years when he was around. And Grandma June, they were always into crafts and art. I think they would have loved it. And it's looking amazing. It's looking amazing. I'll show you a close-up. And what are we going to top this with, hun? Like, not right now, but what? Pardon? Clear coat, or do you think we should do Hellman's or what?
No.
No? Okay, so we'll do a clear coat on it. I'll get on here and do some more to this. Wow, 54 people. Thanks, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. Thanks for all the hearts, guys. This is what we do in Bruce County when there's a fire ban. You come to the sawmill, you come to the lumber mill, and you torch it. Thanks for joining me, and yeah, share the love. Love you. Love you, bye.